Hey, welcome to Applewood Winery. I'm here today to talk about our Valentine's Day gift pack. If you're getting this, it's available for order up until Monday of this week. And it'll come in this UPS package. Please remember that if it's a gift, that you have to be someone 21 years of age or older to sign for it. When you get your box, it'll come with this gift pack inside. Okay, it comes in a silver box here, with a nice little heart on it. 2 bottles of pink Moscato. It's stuffed with some Burgundy Rafé in there. As I said, inside you've got 2 bottles of pink Moscato in there. And also in the box is a QR code that takes you to a website that we have where we show you how to make a pink Moscato cocktail guide that you can download for free. Thanks very much. Visit us at applewoodwinery.com.